right, so we're going to start with drawing kind of a seed shape, and this is going to be his wings, like this. And then he has this kind of a circle design on his wing, and then there's a arc over there. And then from there, we're going to go not quite straight up and down, but over just a bit, kind of a long line. So this and this is about the same length. From there, let's add a line. So this is kind of where his belly is going to end. And then from here, we'll draw a line, kind of a curved line like that. And then we'll add his beak over here, like that. And then he's got his little Korean hat on. And then you can make the hat go this way, or if you want to make it straight, we can fix this line just a little bit. And then he's got 3 eyes, so you can either do circle eyes like this, or you can do his kind of, you know, not as happy eyes. They could be also like that. So up to you which one you want to do. So we'll do, and I'm going to put him on a little bit of an angle. So here's one. Try to keep him about the same size. There you go. All right, and then he's got a design. His black area goes right here, and there's a little design over there. And he's got his feet. They could be longer or shorter, and then he's got a tail. Magpies kind of have long tails, so there we go. And he's got yellow eyes. All right, and there we have Sussy the magpie. Thanks for following, and I'll see you in the next one.